We will render this 3D design in Archicad as realistic as possible. First, go to Document, then Creative Imaging and Photo Rendering Settings. Under Quality, change All to High. Also increase lights to 200%. Press the Size button and set your rendered resolution, then press the Render button. Wait for it to finish. Let's save it and watch the results. All done. Please subscribe.